Next, Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca gets its name from the word mollis. Mollis means soft body. So you know, you have come across with these organisms, snails, right? So snails, slugs, right? Have you touched them, these organisms? Their body is very, very soft. So because of that soft body, they are called mollusca. Okay, and usually the organisms which are included under this phylum, they have soft body, and the soft body is covered or enclosed within a hard calcareous shell. They have shell. They are called shelled animals. They are called the shelled animals because the body that they have soft body. It has this protective covering. Almost all the organisms, except for one or two, will have this hard covering, calcareous covering. That is the shell. The shell is made up of calcium carbonate. So I told you all will have shell, but you know very well octopus, it doesn't have a shell. So you know octopus also belongs to the phylum Mollusca, and you would have seen them. If you have gone to the beaches, you would have seen these shells you have collected. You would have seen this also. This is phyla. Okay, and you know the oyster, right? So oyster mussel, right? That is also you would have seen. So oyster also belongs to the phylum Mollusca. So they are triploblastic animal. They exhibit bilateral symmetry. Okay, so the triploblastic bilateral symmetry. And here, what is one characteristic feature of this organism is that they have coelom, but the coelom is highly reduced. The body cavity is highly reduced. They have coelomic cavity which is reduced. Then one more thing is here, what we see, there is little segmentation. What does little segmentation means? It means they have a little segmentation or no segmentation. You know, in language you will learn that when we say little segment, I have little money, means I don't have money at all. Okay, I have a little money means what? I have some amount of money, right? Okay, so when they have written here, there is no or there is little segmentation, means body does not show any kind of segmentation like what we see in Annelida and Arthropoda. The body is segmented. We can identify head from the abdomen part, but here we cannot see at all. Okay, so you just if you open this animal, like if you open the shell, you can just see a flattened body. You really cannot make out any kind of segmentation, head or abdomen or chest cavity, I mean thorax. We don't see anything. So there is little segmentation. One or two you can see, like in case of octopus, octopus has head and it has the arms. Okay, and almost all the animals have foot. They have foot for locomotion. Okay, then you have seen the snails, right? They have foot for locomotion. Again, it's not exactly foot. It is fleshy fold. Okay, and they also exhibit open circulatory system. They have complete digestive system, and we also come across with salivary gland also. In case of this organism, they have salivary glands. So they have open circulatory system, and they have kidney-like organs. They have kidney-like organs for excretions. Not exactly kidney-like organs for excretion. So these are the examples for the phylum Mollusca. I hope you have understood phylum Mollusca. Now let us learn about phylum Echinodermata. Last phylum under invertebrates, that is Echinodermata. Their name is taken from Greek echino. Echino means hedgehog. You have seen hedgehog which looks like rat and it has spines on it. Okay, it's not porcupine. Okay, hedgehog is different. So just try to find out. Hedgehog, it looks like rat and it has that spine on it. As it has spine, that's why it is called echinoderma. The skin consists of that. Externally, it has those spine. So they are called echinoderma because they have spine on them. Spiny skin animals. Okay. Example includes starfish, sea cucumber, sea urchin, brittle star. Okay, so they are exclusively marine form. You don't find freshwater form, okay, freshwater organism you don't see, or it is not present on the land. Exclusively marine form. They are present only in the sea or the ocean. They are free living form, okay, and they are triploblastic and they have coelomic cavity, but they show radial symmetry. When they are young, when they are in the growing period, they show bilateral symmetry. As an adult, it shows radial symmetry. And they have tube feet. They have tube feet. With the help of tube feet, they move, right? They have this peculiar water driven tube system which will help in locomotion. Okay, so like if at all you take one of its arm, if at all you take the starfish, it will have like this tube feet. Okay, so they have you have seen that like this structures it will have. So it is kind of, it creates a suction pressure, it creates a vacuum. With the help of that vacuum created, they move around. So they have peculiar water driven tube system, that is they have tube feet, that is called tube feet, which will help in locomotion. So that's about the phylum Echinodermata. I have completed the phylum, that is invertebrates. Okay, I hope you have understood. So go through all the videos and try to understand. Okay, thank you.